This question asks, which of these best describes the relationship of the data shown on this scatter plot? Now this is a multiple choice question. I did not copy over the answer choices to this slide, but whenever it's asking, what is describing the relationship, one of the things that it's going to ask about is the correlation. Now the correlation just means the general trend of the data. We normally, so the three options are we have a positive correlation, a negative correlation, or we have no correlation. So if we had a positive correlation, I'm going to ignore the dots in black. I'm going to just randomly draw on some orange dots here. And these dots, these show a positive correlation. So the points are starting in the bottom left of the graph, and it's working their way up into the right. You can think about slope due. That's a positive correlation. A negative correlation would look something like this. I'm drawing these orange dots in here. So a negative correlation is starting in the top left of the graph and working its way down into the right. That would be a negative correlation. No correlation is when the points are just scattered randomly throughout the graph. There is no relationship between what's happening on the x-axis and what's happening on the y-axis. That is what this graph shows. You cannot notice, or you can't tell, a pattern. The points are all just scattered all around the graph. So there is no correlation shown on this graph.